Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into the world of one of the most glamorous and ancient toy breeds out there, the magnificent Maltese. If you've ever been captivated by their long, silky white coat and big, dark eyes, you're in the right place. We're going to cover everything from their royal history to their spunky personality, and what it really takes to care for one of these living works of art. So, if you're thinking about adding a Maltese to your family, or you're just a dog lover like me, stick around. Let's start with a trip back in time, because the Maltese has a history that's as rich and fascinating as they are beautiful. These dogs aren't a modern creation. They're one of the oldest toy breeds in the world, with roots stretching back thousands of years. We're talking ancient Greece and Rome. They were named for the island of Malta in the Mediterranean Sea, which was a bustling seaport. Sailors and merchants would trade these precious little dogs, and they quickly became a symbol of status and wealth. They weren't just lapdogs. They were prized companions to royalty and aristocracy across Europe. Think of them as the original it dogs of the ancient world. Philosophers wrote about them, poets praised their beauty, and artists painted them into portraits. So when you look at a Maltese, you're looking at a piece of living history. Now, let's talk about what's under all that glorious white hair: their personality. Don't let their dainty appearance fool you. Maltese are packed with personality. They are incredibly playful, lively, and full of charm. They form extremely strong bonds with their families and thrive on being the center of attention. They greet you at the door with a full body wiggle and are always up for a game of fetch in the living room. Despite their small size, they can be surprisingly bold and fearless. This bravery, combined with their intelligence, makes them excellent watchdogs. They'll definitely let you know if a stranger is approaching. But at their core, they are gentle, loving souls who just want to be close to their people. They are the definition of a companion dog, and they can suffer from separation anxiety if left alone for too long. They need to be an integral part of the family, involved in your daily life. One of the most defining features of a Maltese is, of course, that stunning white coat. It's like spun silk, and it doesn't have an undercoat, which is great news for allergy sufferers as they shed very little. And this is a big, but that beautiful coat is high maintenance. To keep it long and free of mats, it requires daily brushing. Yes, I said daily. If you neglect it for even a day or two, you can quickly run into tangles and painful mats that are difficult to remove. Many owners who don't show their dogs choose to keep them in a shorter puppy cut, which is much easier to manage. This requires a trip to a professional groomer every 4 to 6 weeks. You also need to pay close attention to tear staining, which is common in the breed. Gently wiping their eyes daily with a damp cloth can help keep that area clean and prevent the reddish-brown stains from setting in. So, be prepared for a serious grooming commitment. Let's move on to training and exercise. Maltese are very smart and eager to please, which can make training a joy. They respond wonderfully to positive reinforcement methods. Think treats, praise, and lots of cuddles. Harsh corrections will only make them anxious and unwilling to learn. Early socialization is key. Exposing your Maltese puppy to different people, sights, and sounds will help them grow into a well-rounded, confident adult. House training can sometimes be a bit of a challenge with small breeds, so consistency and patience are your best friends. When it comes to exercise, they don't need a huge yard to run in. Their energy needs can be met with a daily walk or two and some indoor playtime. They love puzzle toys that challenge their minds and keep them busy. A bored Maltese can get into mischief, so mental stimulation is just as important as physical exercise. Now for a crucial topic: health and lifespan. The good news is that Maltese are generally a healthy breed with a long lifespan, often living well into their teens, with 12 to 15 years being common. However, like all breeds, they are prone to certain health conditions. We've already mentioned tear staining. They can also be susceptible to dental problems due to their small mouths. so regular teeth brushing and dental checkups are essential. Other potential issues include luxating patellas, which is a common knee problem in small dogs, and a condition known as white dog shaker syndrome, which causes tremors. It's also important to be careful with them, as their small size makes them more fragile and prone to injury from falls or rough play. Choosing a reputable breeder who performs health screenings on their breeding dogs is the best way to start with a healthy puppy. And of course, regular vet checkups will help catch any potential problems early. So, is a Maltese the right dog for you? Let's recap. You might be a perfect match if you're looking for a small, affectionate companion who will be your little shadow. You should be someone who is home a lot, or can take your dog with you. You need to be prepared for the significant grooming commitment, whether that's daily brushing or regular trips to the groomer. They're a great choice for apartment dwellers and first-time dog owners, as long as you're ready to be consistent with training. They do well in families with older, considerate children, but due to their fragile size, they might not be the best fit for homes with very young toddlers. If you want a low-shedding, intelligent, and endlessly loving dog who will fill your life with joy and a little bit of glamour, then the Maltese might just be your soulmate in a furry white coat. They are truly special dogs, offering a unique combination of ancient elegance and playful charm. Bringing one into your home is a long-term commitment, but the love and laughter they provide in return are immeasurable. They're more than just a pretty face. They're devoted friends who will stick by your side through thick and thin. That's our deep dive into the world of the Maltese. I hope you found this helpful and learned something new about this incredible breed. What do you love most about Maltese dogs? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next breed spotlight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.